Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. I am doing a Princess Jasmine inspired eye makeup look today. I've already done my brows and my foundation off camera, and I'm just baking my face. I like to do that before I contour, just so I have like a nice line of where to bronze, I guess. So yeah, let's get into this. I'm using the Morphe 35F palette. Okay, I'm holding it upside down, but that's what it looks like on the inside. And the first shade that I'm going to be taking on this fluffy blending brush, this is a 35E from Farrah. And I'm just going to be taking that shade right there, just as like a little base for the eyes. And we're just doing that on the lid and part of the crease. This palette was actually the first Morphe palette that I ever got, and it was the first nice palette that I ever got, I guess. One of my friend's parents, who I stayed with for the last year and a half of high school. If you guys want me to get into that, I can talk about it in a different video. Just let me know in the comments down below, yay or nay, and I'll know what you mean. Her mom got it for me for Christmas because I had this tiny little elf palette, and it was like, you know, like the little black elf book that you get at like when you're in like middle school, and it's got like a bunch of different shades in it, but they're not very pigmented. But yeah, that was the palette that I learned to do makeup on, the elf one. And when I got this palette, I was able to do so much more. And I actually kept that one palette for, let's see, I got it in 7th grade, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th. I had that palette for 4 years, and I was using those nasty expired shades for 4 years. Okay, so I'm just going to be taking this brush, the fluffy brush, and just kind of blending it out more. But yeah. And I had hit pan on a lot of the light neutral shades and some of the like the greens, and purple was completely out because I used that as a face paint for kind of like an undead pirate cosplay that I did when I went to this convention called RadCon. If any of you live in the Washington, Seattle, Tri-Cities area, I guess it's up by like Eastern Washington. Yeah. You'll know what I mean. But I mean, a lot of people come from like all over the country. There's the guy who made. I actually met the guy who made the Harry Potter ones during a panel one year. So that was pretty cool. All right. I'm gonna brush off this. I'm not 100% done with the eyes, but I don't want to let this sit more than 5 minutes. Like 5 or 6 minutes. All right. In my inner corner, I'm going to be using this gold shade right here. Since Jasmine's outfit is predominantly blue and gold, I'm going to be doing gold on the inner corners, and then under the lash line I'm going to be putting this blue shade right here. It's called Mermazing. This is from my Essence palette, the Fairy Wings and Magical Things. Yeah. Alright. And I'm not doing mascara because I don't currently have any. I ordered some off of the Ulta website like 4 weeks ago, and it still hasn't shown up even though it says that it's been shipped. Don't know what's going on with that, but not very happy about it. Alright, so now we're going to contour and then do our lids. So for the contour, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and this is in the shade Dolce de Leche. I always get nervous when I try to use like a large brush to contour my nose. So I'm just going to use my fluffy blending brush since I use that one for neutral colors anyways. I'm going to blend it out, however. Kind of soften it up. And now for everyone's favorite part of the day, highlight. This is the Ofra Star Island highlighter, and I'm going to be taking it on this SL Miss Glam SG62 that I got in one of my Ipsy bags. And we're just going to tap it all over the highlighter, pick up as much as we can. Alright, and now for the lips, I'm using the Smashbox Cosmetics Always On Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Out Loud. Alright, and that is it for the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful week. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!